Hello friends, welcome to our Thekkady series. This is the first video in our Thekkady series and now we are going boating in the Periyar Lake. The Periyar Lake is located in the center of the Periyar Tiger Reserve and exploring this lake by boat provides you an opportunity to spot various animals such as deer, elephants and even the elusive tiger. For more details on how to book this boat trip and other details about Thekkady, please stay tuned for our upcoming videos. If you also like traveling, please like this video and please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified. Thank you.